How to turn on and off safe mode on OmeTV into your mobile device. So to get started, go ahead and open OmeTV into your device and then sign into your account. Now, in here, click on the gear icon, which you'll find at the top right of your screen. So under this, you'll find your settings. So on the settings tab, go ahead and head over into the safe mode or content filter options. So toggle safe mode off to disable restrictions. But if you don't see the option, make sure the app is updated or try clearing the app cache or reinstalling the application. So as you can see for mine, I don't find that option. So you'll need to update your OmeTV application if you don't have that option. If you're using an iPhone, safe mode toggle may not be available directly in the application settings due to iOS restrictions or recent updates. Many users report that safe mode is automatically enabled and cannot be turned off manually on iOS.